How's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about function declaration versus function expression. So what happened before that, we're gonna learn about functions. So we're gonna do is go function in depth. So there are two types of function expression, like function and name hello and what we're gonna do, console.log hello, make it into a string. So when we do that and call that function from outside, sorry about that, call that function from outside, it's gonna show hello. So it happened, and after that there is one another way to call this function. This process called declaration, function declaration. And now you're gonna learn about function expression. Let hi equals function console.log sorry about that, log hello. When we do that and call that function like hi, it's gonna say hello like before. And we can also do, if you want, like again, let hey equals that function, and we can call it hello hey. It is still gonna say hello. I think I did a mistake here. Oh, so about that, so that now we don't give that parenthesis, So recap, this is called function declaration, and this is called function expression. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.